Filtering water can kill you faster than drinking it raw. Not because the filter poisons you, but because it lies. Clear water tricks you into dosing your gut with pathogens over and over until you bleed fluids. And the cold is a thief, where diarrhea and vomiting pay the toll. Here's the fix. I will show you why filters fail, the exact killers they miss, and the proven methods that actually make water safe. You will get step-by-step moves you can run today, plus one shortcut that saves fuel and time without getting you sick. We start now, and there is a mistake coming that ruins everything. Here's the thing. Most people miss. Filtering is not purification. A filter strains chunks like sand, silt, algae, and some bacteria based on pore size, while purification kills and destroys. If you stop at looks clean, you just hid the threat. Pathogens do not care about your confidence. Protozoa like Giardia and Cryptosporidium carry cysts built like armored golf balls. Many consumer filters can catch them if pores are tight enough, but not all do. Bacteria such as E. coli or cholera vary in size, and some slip through, especially when flow rates are high or cartridges are worn. Viruses are smaller and meaner. Norovirus and hepatitis A blow past most backpacking filters because they are tiny. Mechanical barriers do not touch them. Now, the physiology. You drink clear water. You feel fine for a while. Then the gut revolt hits. Diarrhea strips water and electrolytes from your bloodstream faster than you can replace them. Vomiting blocks intake, and if you keep sipping contaminated water, you reload the enemy every swallow. That's the false confidence cycle. Fatigue plus a clean-looking cup plus a straw filter equals dose after dose until shock nails you. You think you are fixing dehydration, but you are fueling it. Consumer filters advertise micron ratings, but ratings are not guarantees. Under stress, clogged media, rushed pumping, or a cracked cartridge from a freeze-thaw can increase passage. Activated carbon improves taste and removes some chemicals, but it does not prove safety. TDS meters measure dissolved solids, not pathogens. Clear water, low numbers, nice flavor can still be a microbial minefield. Cold water makes chemical treatment slower. Chlorine works by forming hypochloric acid, and in cold, the kill rate drops, so contact time must increase. Iodine is possible for many bacteria and viruses, but it struggles with Cryptosporidium because of thick-walled oocysts. Boiling ignores all of this and simply cooks everything. Real sources are filthy in ways you do not see. Upstream animals shed, floodwater drags sewage, and a light viral load becomes lethal when you drink liters across a day. You cannot smell norovirus. Clarity is not safety. Common gear failures include relying on straw filters as one-and-done solutions, skipping pre-filtering so cartridges choke, blasting flow too fast, reducing dwell time, using overworked elements past service life, freezing a wet filter so ice crystals tear the media, or touching the clean outlet with dirty hands and recontaminating everything. Once you accept that clear water lies, the path is simple. You need a kill step, and you can do it without wasting fuel or time if you follow the methods coming next. Boiling wins because biology loses shape. Proteins denature, membranes rupture, viruses fall apart. You don't need lab gear. You need bubbles. Bring water to a rolling boil. Hold for 1 minute or 3 at high elevation. Lid on to trap heat. Pre-filter first to remove silt. Do not guess on simmer. Do not recontaminate. Pour into a clean container and keep it off the ground. At elevation, time replaces temperature. Chlorine from household bleach works because hypochlorous acid is your microscopic chainsaw. Use plain, unscented sodium hypochlorite only at 6 to 8.25% concentration. Fresh is strongest. Dose matters for clear water. Add 2 drops of 8.25% bleach per liter. Stir and wait 30 minutes. If the water is cold or slightly cloudy, double the wait to 60. You should smell a faint chlorine odor at the end. If not, repeat the dose and wait again. Never use scented, splashless, or color-safe formulas. Never guess with cupfuls. Use a dropper and do not cheat contact time. Iodine is a backup, not a hero. It inactivates many bacteria and viruses when dosed and timed correctly, but it underperforms against Cryptosporidium. Use tablets or tincture. Follow exact labels. A common tablet dose needs 30 minutes in clear water and 60 in cold. Pre-filter to remove silt and avoid iodine if pregnant or with thyroid issues. Taste is rough. Use a neutralizer tablet only after contact time. Never rely on iodine in heavy crypto regions. Solar disinfection or SODIS uses zero fuel and works while you conserve energy. UVA plus heat wrecks microbial DNA. You need clear PET bottles, 1 to 2 liters, thin-walled, no color, fill with clear water or settle first. Lay horizontally on a reflective surface in full sun, 6 hours. Strong sun, 2 full days if mostly cloudy. Rotate bottles. Do not use glass or colored bottles. Keep caps on and do not rush the clock. This is a daytime operation. Choose methods early. Combining filtration plus a kill step is belt and suspenders. Mechanical removal reduces grit and protozoa, while chemicals or heat finish what the filter cannot touch. Run your filter slowly so water contacts the media. Keep the clean side clean with separate hoses, a dedicated clean bottle, and a lid that never touches dirt. After filtering, apply chlorine or boil. Do not touch the clean outlet. Do not let hoses drag. Do not mix caps. Cross-contamination cancels your work. Now remember that safe water alone will not reverse dehydration. If your gut is flushing everything, you need electrolytes, sodium and glucose, right? The same intestinal transporters. Make simple oral rehydration. 1 liter safe water, 6 teaspoons sugar, ½ teaspoon salt. Stir until dissolved. Taste like tears, not soup. Sip slowly. If using sports drink powder, dilute it because too much sugar pulls water into the gut. You have options for sun, cold, fuel, and speed. Use the method that fits your constraints, not the one that feels heroic. Discipline is the game. Dose, mix, wait, and protect the clean side. Now you need a decision tree you can run when tired and shaking. Assess the source and urgency. Floodwater, livestock upstream, or urban runoff means high virus risk, pushing you toward boiling, chlorine, or a filter plus chemical combo. A cold mountain spring with no human or animal sign is lower risk, but not zero. If you're already dehydrated and daylight is dying, choose the fastest kill that fits risk. Pre-filter smart, not to polish, but to remove turbidity so heat and chemicals work. Use cloth, coffee filter, a t-shirt, or let sediment settle. Clear water heats faster and needs less chemical. Choose kill method by constraints. No fuel and strong sun means sodas and staging extra bottles, but remember it is not instant. If you need water sooner, split supply, treat some with chlorine first. Limited fuel means small rolling boil with a lid and windscreen. No heat and no sun means bleach or iodine with extended contact time. High elevation means add time to boil and do not shorten chemical contact. Protect the clean side like surgery. Separate raw and clean containers. Mark them, pour, do not dip. Keep lids off the dirt. If you touch inside a lid, consider it dirty and rinse with disinfected water or start over. Contact time is discipline. Set a timer. Do not sip early. Clear is not safe until the clock says so. For bleach, 30 minutes minimum or 60 in cold. For iodine, follow labels and extend in cold. For sodas, 6 hours sun or 2 cloudy days. If impatient, you pay in liters lost from both ends. Rehydration means small, frequent sips of ORS. If you vomit, wait 10 minutes and try again. Keep warm so your gut has blood flow. Treat more water than you need. Cap immediately, store off the ground, and rotate. Do not share bottlenecks. Pour into cups. Pre-filter plus measured bleach beats most scenarios, fast and with minimal fuel. It hits bacteria and viruses, scales easily, and works in darkness. Keep a tiny label dropper and commit wait times to memory. Common failures include frozen filters, expired tablets, misreading bleach strength, touching lids, and sharing bottles. Clarity is not safety. Dose, heat, or sun, then drink. You survived this round, now move. If you remember nothing else, clear water lies. Filtering buys clarity, not safety. Add a kill step or pathogens will drain you dry. Build a pocket card with bleach drops, boil times, and SOTUS rules. Subscribe for the next field test where I compare these methods head to head and show the fastest safe setup when daylight is dying. You survived this round, now move.